Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So on this occasion, on this video, on today, on this time, we will do a podcast that you can look in the television that the name is about dorm life versus round trip, which is better. So we have two special guests. For what's your name?
Introduce myself. My name is Damar, and this is my partner Moko.
Moko, please introduce yourself first.
Hello, my name is Moko. I'm from Karawang, and then I'm
Oh, years old.
16 years old, and today I will making podcast with my friend.
Okay, so that's our special guest from Damar and Moko about this podcast about dorm life versus round trip. So we directly to them from Damar. What is your opinion about dorm life?
But in this team, I prefer about dorm life. If our school is near to our dorm, it can lease your expense to go to your school, or maybe you can walk to exercise your food or other. How about you, Mako?
I think round trip, school in round trip, I think is good for student who want to not enough for money because
Not enough for the money, right?
because in journey in school you can eat in everywhere in your home, because in your home there is your parent who
Cooking
cooking your food.
Right.
That's a good opinion. I like your
opinion.
So
Okay.
you say that in round trip you can maybe live in you can eat, you can take a shower, so that cannot increase your expenses, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can free do that you wanted to do, right?
Yeah. So if you are in the round trip side, so it means you have your parent side, so you get watching every day with your
Yes.
parents. How your opinion?
Because maybe it's good for what talking to parent, because we need some talking what discussion with our parents for the school, for others, so that maybe it's good for study.
Right. So I have a question that so the audience will know what is the obstacle when you school in dorm life.
So I think the obstacle that many people will face is like homesick. They miss their home, they miss their parent. Maybe if he still new, they cannot take his responsibility. He is still not doing his job in dorm, discipline and others. But if already adapt to the dorm life, it maybe can increase your responsibility, discipline, and maybe not homesick again, and maybe you will good or maybe happy in the dorm life. How about round trip?
Because I think round trip is
What is the obstacle?
In round trip cannot have many friends, because
Why?
you just going to school at day, and in afternoon you will go home again, and because that maybe the obstacle is you cannot making some many friends, many don't have any connection for others, like that.
So in dorm life, you can increase your uh, socialization skills,
Social
your skill.
like public speaking, right?
Yes, so you can increase your network to other, like maybe you can with the like as a teacher and others, you can make them a socialization.
Because every time morning,
Yes, we
afternoon,
meet them, we
evening,
meet
that
them.
you always with your friends.
Yes, so you can add your network in there. So go to dorm life. Nah, round trip. No, no, no.
So, what is your opinion about which is the better, dorm life or round trip?
I think dorm life is better. Ya.
Dorm life is better. Right.
I choose it can decrease your expense, but also it can increase your expense too, like food, or maybe like you went to go school. If far, you can come expense for your transportation, and but the solution, if about food, maybe you can increase your cooking skill. So you need just buy the ingredient, not like fresh, not like a food that instant, like Indomie or KFC and others that you come and eat. You can buy like ingredient, so you can cook in your dormitory.
So I think enough.
Enough for round trip side. How about you?
How about you for round trip?
I think round trip is better than dormitory because
How come?
How come?
because
How come?
because in round trip you have if you stress or many project, or you will get a support from your family, because you every day, every time you will meet your family, talking to your family and others. And for the yeah, maybe
That's all about round trip. I think there's more opinion from Damar about dorm life.
So I wanna ask, if you are a round tripper,
Round tripper.
if in dorm life you can increase your discipline, responsibility, and others.
Oh, but when you round trip,
If you round trip, there is a change that you become spoiled, or we can say manja,
no.
because there is parent. There is
Yes,
How does-
in road trip in home there is some
Oh, there is servant in your house. How come you not become spoiled?
yeah. If there is no servant,
There is a
I
parent.
will no. Yes, I do will.
But in your indoor, you can be more responsibility, discipline, other can train your responsibility and discipline. If door round trip, maybe in morning you get wake up by your servant or your parents.
Yeah, if
Oh, come!
you wake up with your ustad.
No, wake up.
Hello.
That's train your responsibility and discipline.
Okay, so we just going to the main point. So dorm life is more good than round trip. So the audience who has watched this video, so let's join with us in Indian Boarding School to get new experience about dorm life.
Go to Indian boarding school. Come.
Okay, so I think this video is enough until here. So apologize if you have any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.